What is up, everybody? I'm back with another video. Back to the channel. Chevy-Benz car guy here. I have a great surprise for you today. A beautiful 2021 BMW X4 M40i performance sports package. Man, this SUV is one of a kind. It is beautiful, it is bold, in a metallic gray. And my friend here just has a beautiful whip. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna get back to business. Boom. Here it is, a 2021 BMW X4 M40i, the ultimate sports package. BMW calls themselves the ultimate driving machine. But according to my pal over here, he says that a BMW made in the States isn't as good as a BMW made in Germany. That's fact. This one was definitely made in Germany and brought over to the States. I love this color. I love this sleek back. Give it that nice SUV feel. We got 20-inch rims. I don't know, let me get on this side with the sun. Got 20-inch rims with the blue calibers, brake calibers, M series. For those that don't know, M is the performance and sports package of BMW. Love these headlights too. These are tough. I love the black grille. The black grille's deep. We got a front camera up here too. We'll probably get inside later, see what that's all about. Got your sensors down here. The fog lights. Man, it's just a beautiful machine. Beautiful machine. Got some cups right here. Got a camera right here. It's beautiful, man. I'm definitely a big fan of BMW SUVs and bikes. The S1000R and S1000RR and the M1000R are amazing bikes. Look at the back. It's a beautiful whip, man. Look at the exhaust too. So we got double exhaust down at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Looks good though. But yeah, I love the way the sun hits it, shines. It's a great whip. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see right here, it says BMW Adaptive LED. I don't know what that means. It's a great car, man. But enough for walking around. Let's go ahead and get inside. All right, but here we go, about to get inside. As you can see, nice leather seats. Got the mirror fold button right there. All the windows are automatic. Damn, all the windows are automatic. You got your seat controls right here. Look at the M40 on the door. That's tough. I like the rug right there too. This seat looks freaking crazy, guys. Man, it's beautiful in here. Oh man, look at that. This is nice. Heated steering wheel button, M emblem right there. The leather compact steering wheel, nice screen. Push the start button up there. M down in there. Oh, got the sun. I guess half a panoramic sunroof. Back seats look comfy. It's nice, compact, tight. Ooh, tight SUV, man. This is beautiful. But all right, we're gonna go ahead and start it up for you guys so we can see what's going on. All right, guys, I'm inside the X4 M40i. Just so you know, this car was custom made straight from the factory, so everything you see he chose. It's like this door panel right here, this pattern in the door, and then also the X right there, and then don't forget the Harman kardon system he had put in to the car. But and also regular X series does without the M package only comes with the adaptive driving of the Comfort and Eco Pro, not the Sport. Since he has the M package, he gets the Sport as a selected mode for his car. As you can see, there's the welcome screen. And here was going to start it up though. Here we go. Okay, I know you hear that. Got Apple CarPlay, wireless Apple CarPlay. The gauges, man, they look nice. This is beautiful. Tells you where everybody's seatbelt is, speed limit down there, gas on the left, temperature on the right. Got your speedometer on the left. Oh man, this is beautiful. Oh man, I know y'all hear that. Oh man, this is beautiful. Well, here, there you go. Oh man. Oh man, that sounds amazing, guys. That's ridiculous. Oh man, so we're back. Also, guys, I want to show you the key. The key has the M logo on it too. That's pretty legit. Definitely, so you distinguish yourselves from those that aren't part of the M series. So, man, got your Apple CarPlay up there. Nice little mirror. Man, this is beautiful. See what? So he also does have a 360 camera system in the car. I'm guessing that's what this button is. Oh no, this is intelligent safety. Wow. So the car probably, since there's a whole bunch of things around it, when need be. But that's pretty crazy, man. Got your light controls over here. This car is nice, bro. It's your gear shift right here. For all my BMW people, they know what this is. It's really just up and back to the side for manual or sport mode. Man, yeah, this is amazing. Let's go ahead and mess with this system. So you got your Navi up there, car itself, you know, compass, apps, media, and he already has navigation in the car. Heated seats, you know, like I also said, heated steering wheel right here. Got paddle shifters. That's convenient if you want to get tricky out there. That's pretty nice. Man, this is beautiful. This thing is amazing. Let's see what else we can do here, huh? Oh, we got the weather. Come on, man. Got the weather. Your calendar. This is crazy. Oh man. Hey, you know how to turn on the camera system? See the camera?
So you're trying to see like.
So like I said, guys, you can see the 360 view from the top, and then it's the back rear camera. But man, look at that 360 view. And you can even tells you how wide your doors are going to open, because none of the doors are open right now, they're all closed. And as you can see, my guy walking up, he's in the view, but man, this is amazing. I mean, look, oh look, we got a truck coming in, so the car is telling us about that. Like, man. Oh my goodness. Got your music up there, you can see it. If you ask me, guys, this thing is beautiful. This thing is beautiful. I definitely love BMW M Series. I'm not a big fan of BMW per se because I'm a Mercedes guy, obviously. But as far as luxury cars, BMW is okay. It does pretty well. But SUVs wise, I think SUVs wise, BMW does pretty well. Now their M Series, I don't know the battle between an M Series and an AMG. But they both, for those that don't know, those are both BMW, Mercedes' performance departments, sport departments per se, that, you know, get that extra oomph to their cars. But the M, I know M's have a long history of being very, very performance worthy, and definitely getting the job done as far as racing and stuff like that. So man, it's just beautiful in here. It's freaking beautiful in here. Leather seating. He told me these seats were custom stitched, so it wasn't a machine that did it. Hand stitched. Somebody hand stitched these seats. Money. All right, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Just be on the lookout for more videos. I hope everybody's excited about more videos. I'm actually about to get a new GoPro, so hopefully there's a lot more 360 shots with that, and then I'll just see where I take it from there. But all right, peace.